calculate the equivalent capacitance. And I will ask to you. Oh, Jnana Prakasham, first one, which one we have to do? When the charge reach here, you see, separation comes, different paths are available to us. So there we have to take different steps to find the equivalent capacitance. Which one will you do first?
The series.
Which one? Tell the name. Which color also given now? Which one will you do?
That red line, ma'am.
Yes,
The
red line. They are connected in positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. They are connected in. These three are connected in series or parallel?
Series.
They are connected in series. So first you have to find capacitance of these three capacitors. So 1 by CS equal to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60. That way you have to find. So you will get one value. See, 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60.
Teacher,
Yes.
ടീച്ചറിൽ കപ്പാസിറ്റേഴ്സ് ഏത് രീതിയിലാണ് സീരീസ് പാരലൽ എടുക്കണമെന്ന് കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞത്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കേട്ടിണ്ടായില്ല, നെറ്റ് സ്ലോ കാരണം.
അതാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഇങ്ങനെ പോസിറ്റീവ് നെഗറ്റീവ് അങ്ങനെ കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാലാണ് സീരീസ്. അതല്ല, ഇപ്പോൾ ഓൾ ദ പോസിറ്റീവ്സ് കണ്ട ഇവിടെ കണ്ട ഒരു positives are connected together and other plates are connected together. അപ്പോൾ these two are in parallel. കണ്ടാ, both the plates പോസിറ്റീവ് പ്ലേറ്റ്. ഇവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കും, ഇവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് നെഗറ്റീവ്, ഇവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് നെഗറ്റീവ്, ഇവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് നെഗറ്റീവ്. അപ്പോൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് പ്ലേറ്റ്സ് ആർ ജോയിൻ ടുഗദർ, negative plates are joined together. That is parallel combination. Here you see positive, then induction negative, then positive, induction negative, like that it goes. So positive negative, that connection is series connection. All the positives connected together, all the negatives connected together, that is parallel connection. Okay. In series connection there will,
ഏതാ വരപ്പോ 40 മൈക്രോഫാരഡിന്റെ.
After finding these two combinations, this will be connected in series to that will be a single capacitor then. So they will be in series 40, and the effective capacitance of this combination will act as a single capacitor, and that value first we have to find out. Then they two will be in series, positive negative, like that, connected to the point B. Okay. So first of all you have to do these three capacitors in series. That is done here. 1 by C1 is equal to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60, 3 by 60, 1 by 20. Therefore C1 equal to 20 microfarad. We got, instead of these three, we have taken a single capacitor C1, that is 20 microfarad. So we got 20, and this one you have to find. What is the that you can tell easily. They are connected in parallel. So what is the effective capacitance of these two children? Cp equal to, tell equation.
C1 plus C2.
C1 plus C2. So 10 plus 10, 20. So here this is also 20 got. Yes, this is also 20. And this is also 20. How they are connected? This 20 and this 20, how they are connected? Are they in series or parallel, children? Parallel, because there is a connection here. This one capacitor, this one capacitor. Here there is a joint, here there is a joint. So they are connected in parallel. So 20 in parallel, what is it? 20 in parallel. 40 you are getting. So 20 in parallel you are getting this 20, this 20. So 40, and already that green color capacitor now 40 is already there. 40 and 40 they are connected in series. Positive plate, negative plate, positive plate, negative plate. So they are connected in series here. So 40 and 40 in series. We can use the formula 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, 1 by 40 plus 1 by 40 equal to 40 into 40 by 40 plus 40 we are getting. So capacitance we got 20 microfarad. And the potential difference is given as 100 volt. So charge Q equal to C into V. So you can calculate the answer. The answer is millicoulomb. Charge is equal to 2 millicoulomb. Clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what I told, all formulas you should know, and we can do it easily. This is a different type of combination. So only after doing such question you will be able to identify, oh, these three are in series and this are in parallel, this one is in series. Then only you have to do such problems. Many problems are available in books and you should be able to identify them. See, this is a different type of combination. See here, see plates joined here. Here this capacitor one plate is joined with this capacitor one plate, and this capacitor one plate is joined with this capacitor one plate. And interconnection is coming. Interconnection. So actually these three. This one you see, this one ingottundu connection to this one and to this one. Similarly, this one you see, this plate is connected to 3 capacitors, 1, 2 and 3. This like that. Actually, just by seeing it, you should be able to identify, oh, these 3 interconnected one are parallel. So 2 microfarad, 3 microfarad and 5 microfarad are connected in parallel. And then this is not interconnected, here it is separate. So that is in series with this combination. This 10 microfarad is in series with the combination. So you see, children, first you have to do this part. Parallel, it is easy. What is the formula? What we have to do?
Equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3.
Yes, 2 plus 3 plus 5. So 10, we are getting 10. So this combination is having a capacitance 10 microfarad, green color one, that is drawn here, 10 microfarad. Then already there is a orange color capacitor, that is a 10 microfarad value, and it is drawn here. So 10 microfarad are in series. So what is the formula? C1 C2
1
by
by
C1.
C.
1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. After that we are getting this formula. Taking LCM and all. C is equal to, always study this formula. Then it will be easy for you. And when they are connected in series, C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Easy formula. See, after calculations we are getting that. See, like this, 1 by C equal to 10 into 10 is the LCM. 10 plus 10 we get in the numerator. So C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. As C becomes, this is 1 by C. So C becomes C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. C equal to, this is 1 by C. So you are getting 10 into 10, 100 by 20 equal to 5 microfarad, children. So we got calculate the equivalent capacitance between the point X and Y. You got the answer. Clear, children? The only thing is that you must understand
Yes.
these three are in parallel. Okay. This is a NCERT textbook question and important also. This combination. See where the connection comes, that you have to tell. That you have to find out. See, this is the potential difference applied here. Here is the potential difference applied. So from when a charge comes here, what happens? Splitting happens. So you must know, you have to take it separately. And the charge comes here, the split, it has to move 2 different paths. That means this path and this path are connected in parallel. This capacitance and this capacitance are connected in parallel. When the splitting comes, you must know that. So here the splitting is coming. So these two we have to consider together, and after that only you can consider this one and this combination. Okay. So first which one we can do, children? First which one we can do in this? Which one?
Series. C2 and C3.
C2 and C3 we can find out. C2 into C3 by C2 plus C3, that will be C23. We are naming the new capacitor, combination capacitor as C23. C23, 2 and 3 connected in series. C23 equal to C2 into C3 by C2 plus C3. We got the answer 100 picofarad. This is in picofarad. Pico means 10 raised to
-6.
pico -6 അല്ല മൈക്രോ ആണ് -6.
-12. -12.
Yes, pico means 10 raised to -12 children. Okay, so we got C23. Then what is next step, children? What is next step? C23.
Parallel combination.
Which one? This one acts as a single capacitor of value C23 and C1 are in C23
Parallel.
parallel, correct. See, C23 I have drawn with this color itself, C23, and C1 is there already, 100 picofarad. They are in, yes?
Teacher, won't C4 will also be in that parallel combination?
No, see, here after, first of all, you have to find this. Then only you can reach here. Splitting happened here, no? So, first you do that combination. Then you reach here. Understand? Not in, see, here, actually this line you take to this end, you know, you take to this and stretch it in this manner. Then you will identify that is not in parallel. When we do this is a connecting wire, you know, connecting wire. That is not connected in parallel. This is joined here. This is a potential difference is applied here. Parallel plates are not joined here. Potential difference is applied here. So actually that is C4 is not coming parallel with this combination. And one terminal only connected. And
Ma'am, if it was connected, we can take it as parallel now. If it was connected.
If it is like this, here there is a connection, you can take it here. And ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒരു വയർ കൂടെ കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇതും പാരലൽ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാം. ഇവിടെ അങ്ങനെ അല്ല ചെയ്ത്. അപ്പോൾ C23 and C1 we have to consider they are in parallel. C231, I named it C231, C23 and 1, C231 parallel, 100 plus 100, 200 picofarad. Picofarad and 200 picofarad you got. Then see, this is the connection. C231 all together become a single capacitor, black one, single capacitor C231, and C4 is there, C4 that green one. C4 is 100 picofarad and this all together is 200 picofarad. 200 picofarad and 100 picofarad, are they in series or parallel? Tell, are they in series or series? And positive, negative, like that only. Here there is no connection here. This is battery. We are applying the battery here. Potential difference is applied. So they are in series. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 1 and 4 are connected in series. So you can use the formula. This C231 into C4 by C231 plus C4. This into this by this plus this. 200 into 100 by 200 plus 100. So equivalent capacitance we got, children. This is 200 by 3 picofarad. That is the equivalent capacitance. But the question is not only that. Find the equivalent obtain the equivalent capacitance of the network shown in figure. Okay, that answer we got. 300 volt is applied here. 300 volt. Determine the charge and voltage across each capacitor. So that equivalent capacitance actually it is easy. But finding, see, the charge and voltage across each capacitor you have to find out. Charge, what is the charge on this capacitor, all capacitor, what is the potential difference across each capacitor, that part is that part also you have to find out, children. We can see here 300 volt is applied. How much voltage come across this combination? That you have to find out. Total charge. First you find that we got the equivalent capacitance. Therefore, total charge of the capacitor you can find out using the formula Q equal to CV. Q is proportional to V, Q equal to CV. Always remember this formula. Q is that is the beginning of the capacitor beginning. That is the formula. Q is proportional to V. Q equal to CV. C is the capacitance of the capacitor. So charge Q equal to CV. Here C is the equivalent capacitance 200 by 3 into 10 raised to minus 12 picofarad, 10 raised to minus 12 into voltage 300 volt is applied. So total charge up to that also is easy. The equivalent capacitance into potential difference you do, total charge will get. And you know one thing, so only charge is combination. Series combination charge remains same. Series combination charge and parallel combination voltage is same. Series combination charge is same. Charge is same. So this charge you know total capacitance, total charge you know that will be same as on C4. That is in series. This is in series with this combination. So this same charge will be there on this C4 capacitance. This must be equal to the charge on C4 and sum of these two. Charge on this C4 and charge on this combination will be same. So you can see this must be equal to the charge on C4 and to the sum of the charges on the combination. Sum of the charges on the combination C1, C23 and C1. C that is that we have to find out. So Q4 is same as charge Q4 is same as this Q 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb C4 because that is in series. Then therefore its potential difference we can calculate V4 equal to Q4 by C4. Same formula children, same formula we are using. Q equal to CV, V equal to Q by C. V equal to Q by C. So its charge by its capacitance V4 equal to Q4 by C4 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 by its capacitance 100 into 10 raised to minus 12. So we got the answer 200 volt V4 got. So we have to find charge and potential across each capacitor. Next step, potential difference between A and B. See, total potential difference applied is 300 and from that 200 potential difference is taken for or apply come across this capacitor. Total potential difference is 300. From that 200 volt appear across this capacitor C4. Total 300. How much potential difference is across C4? 200. What's the remaining potential difference? 100. So 100 is only appearing across this combination. So 100 is appearing for this combination. This combination is connected in parallel. See, so 100 will come across. That is here, just like we apply potential difference 100 here. It acts like that. A 100 volt potential difference applied between A and B. So 100 is across C1 and 100 is across this combination C23 also. So 100 we got potential difference between points A and B is 100. Therefore, potential difference between C1 will be how much children? C1. A and B we apply potential difference 100. So what is the potential difference across C1?
Same.
Itself, right?
100.
Same.
എന്താണ് മിത്ര?
It is same, ma'am.
Same, yes, 100 because they are parallel. Across C2 300 and across C1 also 100 because 100 is it behaves as if 100 voltage is coming across A and B. A and B are connected in parallel. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിന് രണ്ടിനും കൂടി 100 ആയിരിക്കും, ഇതിന് ഒരെണ്ണത്തിന് മാത്രമായിട്ട് 100 ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ C2 and C3 are having same value of capacitance. So their potential difference across them Q4 by C4 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ Q3 by C3. Same value and C2 and C3 are having same value in our problem. So voltages also will be same. 100 is divided into 2 equally. 100 divided equally among them because their value of capacitance are same. So what will be the voltage across them? 100 is divided equally because their values are same. C2 and C3 are same. So how much voltage across each capacitor C2 and C3, children? Total potential difference 100. And here it is divided equally. 100 divided equally because their values of capacitance are same. So 50 plus 50. It will be 50 plus 50. No need to use the formula. Either because they are divided equally. V2 and V3, 100 by 2, 50. Therefore, Q2 and Q3 will be C1 V1. That formula you can use. C1 or C2 into potential difference 50. Okay. Minus 12 എന്നുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ അവിടെ. minus 12 200 picofarad അല്ല. അതായത് മിസ്റ്റേക്ക്. minus 2 എന്നാണ് ഇട്ട് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. minus 12. So 10 raised to minus 8 എന്ന് വരും. So potential difference across C1 എന്ന് കൂടെ പറയാം. So we have calculated the potential difference across C4. V4 equal to Q4 by C4. So we got 200 raised to minus 8 by capacitance 200 volt. Total voltage applied is 300. 200 volt appear across C4. The remaining 100 volt is appearing across this combination. These two combination, that is 100 between A and B, 100. And in that 100 voltage appear across C1. And 100 voltage appear across these two also. These two are in series. So 100 is divided equally because their capacitance are equally divided. Capacitance are different. We have to take different formula like this. We have to take the formula. So as they are equal, they are divided equally. We can take V1 equal to V2 equal to V3, 100 by 2 equal to 50. Therefore, their charges you can calculate. Charge Q2 equal to Q3 equal to its capacitance into voltage. Voltage is 50. So we got 10 raised to minus 12, and that we get 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb. But Q1 across this one, charge across this one equal to C1 V1. C1 is 100 picofarad into V1 is 100. So we get 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb. So as a 5-mark question and all this problem asks children. So many sub-parts are there. First you have to find the equivalent capacity. That itself is a 3-mark question. And then you have to find potential difference across each capacitor, total charge across each capacitor, all we have to find out. So it is a 5-mark question, children. And then what is the time now? Okay, we can discuss these questions. I sent some pages to you. I don't know whether you have gone through it. I like to discuss few questions with you. 2017 questions. A point charge Q is placed at O. Charge Q is placed at O as shown in figure. Is the potential at point A is at a distance, that is VA, greater or smaller or equal to potential VB at point B? Potential at A VA, potential at B VB. Which is greater? That is the question. When Q is positive, Q is negative. What is the answer, children? Q is positive. Where will be the potential greater? Nearer to the charge or far from the charge? Where is the potential greater? Where we have to do more work to bring a charge from infinity to that point? A or B? Which one need more work? This is a positive charge. To bring a unit positive charge from infinity to that point, to which point we have to do more work, A or B?
A.
A. That means potential at A is greater. Potential at A is greater than potential at B because it is a positive charge and we are bringing the positive charge. So, potential at A is greater than B when Q is positive. Understand? Electric potential formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. Inversely proportional to distance. So, nearby point potential will be greater. Nearby point. As the distance increases, potential decreases. And when Q is negative, we are bringing the positive charge itself, unit positive charge we are bringing. So, here potential at B will be greater than potential at A. We are bringing this is a negative charge, next case. This is a negative charge. So, potential at B will be greater than potential at A as we are bringing a negative charge. Okay. So, here Q is negative, VA is less than VB. Okay, children. Next question. This combination just now we have studied. ഏതാണ് interconnected? C2, C3, C4 are interconnected. C2, C3, C4 are interconnected. So, we have connect them in parallel. Then C5 is here, C1 is here, which is not connected in parallel. So, first of all, you have to find these three in, tell, these three in
Parallel.
parallel. Then, C2, 3, 4 എന്ന് കിട്ടിയെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക, ഒരു കപ്പാസിറ്റൻസ് കിട്ടി, C2, 3, 4. അപ്പോൾ C1, C2, 3, 4 and C5 are in series. Like that you have to do, children. Find the how much charge is drawn. Voltage is given. DC source of 7 volt is applied between A and B. How much charge is drawn from the source? അപ്പോൾ equivalent capacitance കിട്ടി. ഇനി എങ്ങനെയാ ചാർജ് കാണാ? How much charge is drawn? Charge. What is the formula for finding charge? Q equal to
CV.
CV. Equivalent capacitance in potential difference. CV. And what is the energy stored in the network? Energy stored formula we have studied. Energy stored in a capacitor, series combination. We can use
V
this.
is equal to
എനർജി സ്റ്റോർഡ് ഹാഫ് CV സ്ക്വയറിനോ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. ടോട്ടൽ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് കേട്ടോ, ഓരോന്നിൻ്റെ ഇൻഡിവിജ്വൽ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല, ടോട്ടൽ എനർജിയാണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഹാഫ് CV സ്ക്വയർ യു ക്യാൻ യൂസ്. So we calculated that. And these are connected in parallel. Then potential difference is applied. To understand, the figure is drawn here. So first you connect these, find out C2, 3, 4. Then the C1, C2, 3, 4 and C5 are in series. Series you can use this formula 1 by C1 plus 1 by CP plus 1 by CY. Then we get the answer. See, CAB equal to 6 by 7. 1 by CAB is 7 by 6. CAB is 6 by 7 microfarad. That also we got. Then charge drawn, CV. CV is the formula used. Always write the unit, children. Microfarad here, here coulomb, charge coulomb. Then energy stored half CV square is used. So joule, microjoule, we are getting the answer in microjoule. Okay. So this question is easy actually. Equivalent capacitance you have to find out, charge you have to find out.